Today, I'm going to show you how to make Garbanzo-Stuffed Mini Peppers, one of my favorite easy Mediterranean-inspired appetizers. They're colorful, packed with flavor, and totally vegetarian. Let's start with the most important part, the spices. Grab a small pan and toss in a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Toast them over medium heat for about a minute, just until you catch that warm, earthy scent. Don't walk away. These can go from perfect to burnt super fast. Now, for the filling. In a food processor, combine 1 drained can of chickpeas, your freshly toasted cumin seeds, a clove of garlic, the juice of half a lemon, a big tablespoon of tahini, a splash of olive oil, a pinch of smoked paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. Blend until smooth and creamy. If it's a little thick, add a tablespoon of water and blend again. You want it thick enough to stuff into the peppers, but smooth enough to spread. Next up, the peppers themselves. Grab a bunch of mini sweet peppers. Red, yellow, and orange for those gorgeous Mediterranean vibes. Slice each pepper in half lengthwise and gently remove any seeds and membranes. Arrange the pepper halves cut side up on a baking sheet. Drizzle them with a little olive oil and a pinch of salt. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 200 Celsius for 10 minutes. The peppers should soften just slightly, but still hold their shape. Once the peppers are cool enough to handle, it's time to stuff. Using a spoon, fill each pepper half with your creamy garbanzo mixture. I like to really pack it in there so you get a generous bite every time. For that final pop of flavor and color, sprinkle a little crumbled feta on top, some chopped fresh parsley, and a dusting of smoked paprika. And if you want to go the extra mile, add a drizzle of good olive oil and a squeeze of lemon over everything. Arrange your stuffed peppers on a platter. Play around with the colors so it looks as vibrant as possible. Seriously, these are a feast for the eyes as much as they are for your taste buds. And that's it. Garbanzo-stuffed mini peppers, bursting with Mediterranean flavors, perfect for parties, picnics, or even just a healthy snack. Try them out. And if you love them, let me know your favorite twist in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out in my kitchen today. Until next time, happy cooking!